Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a head wrap tutorial. I wear head wraps all the time. When I'm tired of doing my hair, I put these bad boys on and I'm gone. It's so easy to do once you get the hang of it, and I know that a lot of times people ask me, how did you wrap that? What did you do to get your hair wrap to look like that, you know? So I'm just gonna quickly do about 4 to 5 tutorials of types of styles that you can do with your head wraps. So don't mind my hair, is dry, it's not looking good, but that's why we're wearing head wraps, okay? Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
The highest producer.
and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna make videos at least once every week. And I want you to leave in the comments down below, down there. I want you to leave which head wrap was your favorite in this video. I wear all of these head wrap styles, and it's very freestylish for me when I do it. So anyways, thank you for watching my video, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.